guys? Josh here. Today we are going to talk about some LED headlights. So with not very many options at the local retailers like AutoZone, there's not a lot of different things to choose from on the shelf. I decided to go online and browse on Amazon since they're pretty much the biggest retailer in the US. And so I came up with the Hikari Ultras, which are supposed to be one of the best as far as fitment and reviews and quality. So I decided to order one. So let's go ahead and unbox them and see what they look like. Alright, I got my new headlights from Amazon today. And they are the Hikari Ultra LED lights. And these are designed by Hikari in Japan and assembled in China. Let's open them up and see what comes in the box. Let's get the owner's manual. These LEDs put out 12,000 lumens. They run on 2 amps, 12 volts, 23 watts a bulb, 46 watts for the whole set. Pretty good instructions. So let's get a good look at what comes in the box. So obviously just the headlight assemblies. These are made out of aviation grade aluminum. Got your cooling fan in the back. And your LEDs. These are an H11. So these are strictly just the low beam driving lights. It's got your weather seal. And I decided to go with LEDs because I bought some Osram high output conventional bulbs and they died after only like 4 months. So I wanted to get some LEDs because they last like 50,000 hours. So that should be like 10 years. But the connection is exactly the same. So the biggest thing why I went with the Hikari is the reviews on Amazon were really good. Everybody just rants and raves as far as how they fit and that they work as good as a conventional halogen bulb as far as installation goes. So let's go outside and let's see how they go into the car and what they look like. Alright, so here's a good color test. The light on the left is the standard Osram Nightbreaker Unlimited, and then that's the Hikari Ultra. So you can see the color temperature is it's a cool white. I think it's 6,000 or 6,500 Kelvin. And then let's take a look at the light beam on the garage, so you can see how focused the light beam is on the left compared to the one on the right. And the camera's not, I don't know if it's doing it justice, but this is far more of a sharp line and way brighter. So they claim they're like 270% brighter than stock. So let's go ahead and get the other one put in, and then we'll go take it for a test drive. All right, we can go ahead and disconnect the old bulb. And let's get the Hikari in. All right, let's see if I can get this to pick up on the camera. But I've got it all installed. The plugs there plug in and clip right into position just like the conventional bulbs do, the halogen bulbs. And there's plenty of room for all the wiring. And the LED light itself clicks right into the headlight assembly just as easy as a conventional bulb. So I was really happy with the fitment. They're in, and that's them on. So man, those things are bright. Really defined line. They look really good. So that's both of them installed. Color temperature looks fantastic. Looks really good. Makes the car look a little bit newer and a little bit more up to date. This is with the high beams on in the car because the high beams are a conventional bulb. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those later on. So this is to show that the headlight in the assembly, once you get them in, you can twist the bulb to get the beam position the way that you want it. Megatron, and their field of view is really good. It's very crisp, like if you look at the fence line and stuff up there. Yeah, really good left to right field of view. Color's good, easy to see. So I went ahead and took several videos of different clips of me driving with these in different types of driving conditions, so you guys can see how they light everything up on the road and how well you can see with them. Pretty impressed with these Hikari LEDs. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and order myself the other set so I can replace the high beams, and these are just as good as the reviews say, and they fit just like everybody said that they did. So yeah, good purchase. Big thumbs up. And I've got a link in the description down below if you guys want to pick yourself up a pair. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time.